Let's go back to January when you were a bit of a provocateur, if you will, when you said that AI is having its iPhone moment. So you've obviously seen the results from Microsoft and from Alphabet. Is this what you were talking about? Have we reached that iPhone moment already?
Well, we have in terms of excitement, but not in terms of really new applications at this point. But the company's seeing a lot of inbound interest. They're seeing the customers talk to them that they never historically would have. So it's a great leading indicator for where we're going to head.
So there's a lot of concerns about a big-time cloud slowdown. It doesn't seem that's been really realized. What does that tell you, not only about the tech sector, but economic spending, or excuse me, company spending when it comes to IT?
Well, it has slowed down a bit. You know, they were growing up in the mid 40% range. Next quarter, they'll be growing in the mid 20% range, mid to high 20%. So it has slowed down, but it did not slow down as much as feared. This quarter, they grew revenue 31%. I think the street was worried that maybe they were going to grow 27, 28%. But the real strength in the quarter actually came from the personal, the consumer side of things. Windows licenses were a little bit better. That could be a little bit lumpy. But definitely overall, Microsoft did better than expected. They are gaining share in a whole bunch of different products and services. They're bundling together products extremely well. They're seeing a huge amount of interest. And we do think AI is going to drive market share gains for them across the board as they bundle a lot more products together and come up with new products.
So, Timothy, I want to push back on you just for a second. I've read quite a bit of your notes. You generally have a pretty measured take when it comes to all of this. So, yes, we're not seeing that same growth in the 40% range, but isn't the cloud market, isn't it just maturing? I would think that a lot of the easier workloads have already migrated to the cloud. And right now, with an economic slowdown, isn't there a lot of hesitation? So what we're seeing from these companies, doesn't that show a continued move to the cloud and just a strong movement in general?
We've only seen about 20% of applications move to the cloud. We think most new workloads going forward are going to be a lot more AI-based and new kind of what we would call kind of white space workloads. So we think we're only about the second or third inning of the migration to cloud at the most. And AI is really going to develop in organic ways. It's going to drive a lot of new use cases and growth that make it really, really hard to predict. So still very early days.
All right, so obviously there's a big buzz when it comes to AI. What did you make of what you heard from Alphabet and Microsoft, and how does that impact other areas of tech, including cybersecurity?
Well, Microsoft said they're really going to ramp CapEx a lot next quarter. So we don't know exactly what that means yet, other than they're extremely optimistic about what they're hearing and what they're seeing for a lot of these new workloads. And we should see pretty good growth in the next couple of years. They also said a lot of the cloud slowdown that we've seen are kind of one-time grooming. So one-time ways that are people optimizing the compute that they're using, some of the prices that they're paying. But once that's over, they're seeing very, very good new workloads migrate over. So they think growth will reaccelerate next year, essentially, is what they're saying. Google had also inline numbers, but they're basically growing at the same rate at Microsoft right now. They are a little bit more focused on profitability in their cloud unit, and it did turn profitable for the first time.